overall, I really like this little island. It was easy to build, the price was right, it's powered, it has a lot of storage, it's on wheels. My only complaint would be it seems like the front doors aren't quite the same white as the rest of it. So if you can live with that for the price, great. Otherwise, like, that would say the one thing it could improve on. I mean, but it serves its purpose, and for the price, I'm happy overall.
Easy to put together. I decided to make mine a wine rack, and it has this little drawer right here, and then it has a cabinet which I store just glasses and other dishes, and it has this little side rack. So yeah.
I think it's an automatic 1-star review when the hole that they provide for the outlet does not fit. Fortunately, I'm handy and I can saw into this.